Happy National Ceiling Fan Day, everybody. It's September 18th, time to film the fans of the house. Alright, first off, in my room, we got a R&M original from 1984. Got the C brackets. Got a polished brass canopy. And that's paint, not a hole in the ceiling, for anyone who gets that wrong. Got the pizza shade, and it's loud as hell with this pizza shade. I need to get a rubber band, but I don't mind. The air conditioner mostly drowns it out. In my office, we got the Casablanca Delta Seasons up once again, now with a white hang true. Does pretty well, it's a good fan. Turn on the lamp. Really like this fan. Might be getting replaced soon with something special. It was supposed to happen today, but the seller didn't. Seller pushed it back one more day. He was busy or something, but y'all are gonna see something that might go in here, maybe even on the back porch. But y'all will see. We got in the bathroom. We got the CEC Georgian still running, still going strong to this day. This one was built in '86, I believe. This one was an '83 or an '84 model. But yeah, that's the Georgian. Upgrade capacitor, going real fast. Alright. Here in the hallway, we still got the Cimarron spinner. Not really any changes have happened, except for the few you've seen, and you'll see the porch. But we got the Cimarron spinner still going. Very nice looking fan. Not sure when this was made. I'm assuming this is a 90s spinner. Got the Charleston right here. Still slowly chugging along. Bathroom. Got the light switch. Got this. Got the Atlantic Air spinner. All of its former glory. Remember this being the first fan I ever had. This model. It's not the exact one, obviously. Exact one is now in the trash. Not by me. But y'all know I sold that and everything. But here that is. Don't really feel like running it. I'm just gonna show what the fan speeds that are on. Got the Coke fan in here. Moved this to my dad's office. I don't think I ever showed y'all that actually, but looking good. My dad absolutely loves this fan in here. It's always been great. And in the master bedroom, got the 3-speed standard canopy 1895 series, the more basic version, and later, but still an amazing fan nonetheless. I love it. One of my favorite fans. I'm very glad Mom ended up letting me keep it up here because I was tired of that Augustine. She loved it for some reason. Here we got the Home Trends Rainbow Hugger. To this day, still, just globe broke. A couple of fans' globes broke, but I'll get some ones from the thrift store eventually to throw on these. But this one I will turn on for you just to prove it still works. Yep. Ghetto ass door. Oh yeah, would have forgotten. Got the Monte Carlo Mini 2008 one I got from Jacob, Fan Lover 27. Don't have that much storage, so the video is going to be kind of quick. In here in the living room, we got the SAF Enterprises Hugger. Don't know the exact model name, but here it is. Love this fan, currently running on medium. Beautiful fan. Love that fan. Here in the dining room, we got the Casablanca Next Gen, still running strong. Running on low right now. It's absolutely a beautiful fan. Off topic, I got a saltwater tank going on right here. Got a starfish. Oh, and he fell. That's okay, he'll get up on his own. Kitchen, we got my favorite installs of the house. The two UF42s. These are my absolute favorite installs. Next to the original. The original's got to be my favorite still. These are absolutely wonderful. These are both running on medium. Looking good. 85, 86. Here we got the Bahama Premium. Fine looking fan. I tell you, this is... I did change out the light on it. Right here we got the Hampton Bay Minuet, too. Still running on that light switch. Never changed out the wiring because I'm a piece of shit. But still going, surprisingly. Despite the cheapness, I remember we destroyed one at Fanimation. The whole group. Whole group of people did at Fanimation. The main, at least a lot of them. So y'all can't go after me if you don't go after all of them. But we got the Evergo Hugger in here. This is, what speed is this on? Low? Oh. It's on the speed thing. It's on medium. Medium speed, which is a lot slower than medium pull. This, unfortunately, still works, and I need to take it down or get a switch cap for it. Oh, there's a spider right there. This does work, though. Yeah. Trashy fan. I do not know where the spider went. Oh, poor spider. The spider will be fine. I mean, he'll be fine. The spider's gonna be fine. Alright. Now, get this running on high right here. And you know my installs are always temporary, so I don't want to hear anyone bitching about it. Except for those Porch ones. Those are just... I think I need to tighten a blade on this, but it might be getting replaced anyway with something cooler that y'all might cry about being out here, but quite frankly, I've never had a fan sag on a screened-in porch, so sorry. It's literally from my childhood. Literally one of them never sagged, even though it was out there since the 90s at least. Here's the Calera. I really need to tighten that blade. I have bad screws, and I need to get some new screws for one of the blades. That's the Calera. My grandma's Porch fan, still running strong. Need to clean some of these. I'm sure y'all know, but y'all get the game. Oh, yes. I'm not even going to go out there, but you can see there's the Ochre Coke. It does work, but I'm not going to go out there and turn on it. There's a bunch of stuff in front of the door. But yeah. And let's finally go upstairs. Well, there's one more little thing to do after this, but... Upstairs, we got Jacob's U52. Not calling them a UF again like I did in the last video. This one's running on medium. Yes. Running on medium. Okay, I need to stop before that gets copyrighted. And then we got my U52 that I got the blades for this from Jacob. A nice, beautiful, tight weave. And then this running over here. I think this is on high right now. I need to find a different fan, unfortunately, because this thing blows no air because of the position it's in. I mean, I'm going to keep it for a while, but you know. It's an okay fan. It's a good fan otherwise. It's just bad aerodynamics right here. Alright, I'm going to pause this and we're going to go to the final fan. Let's plug her in right here and watch the magic happen. Well, after technical difficulties, we're not running this. Alright. Yeah, I'll fix that. But yeah, I'm going to eventually do a display up in here. So yeah, thank you all for watching this crazy, disastrous, terrible National Ceiling Fan Day video. And I hope you all have a blessed one. And peace out, dude. Stay cool. And yeah, thank y'all. Thank y'all for everything, man. Goodbye.